care whose it is.
This is my apartment. Wait, guys, everybody. So I'm gonna prank my friends by having a housewarming party and hiring a psycho neighbor to come annoy us and scare the shit out of them at my housewarming party. None of my friends have seen my new place, so I want to invite them over for a housewarming party and have the party be disturbed by a psycho neighbor. Oh my god, if you have to call the cops, you can get the call the cops too because he threatened you.
And you guys still...
Oh my god! Call the cops.
Why is there a... Oh, what the hell?
Why, hello guys. Or should I say good night guys, because I'm starting this vlog at night, so I haven't had the best luck this past month. My bad juju train started August 1st, which would have been the day I was supposed to move into what would have been my new apartment.
Don't
say anything, don't say anything. Don't say anything.
She's wrapping her arm. She's doing I can literally see it.
So yeah, I had to break my lease and move out all within 24 hours after thinking that was my new apartment and moving into it. So because my safety was in jeopardy, I had to move back to my parents' house, which is where I've been staying for the past month and a half until moving into this apartment. Since that moving situation, my life's been crazy, as you guys have seen on this vlog channel. My boyfriend got bit by a snake. I had a horror nail salon experience. I went to New York Fashion Week and I had a haunted photo shoot, and I witnessed people getting stuck in an elevator. This past week, I've moved into my new apartment and it's ironically been really smooth. I gotta knock on wood. I'm not even playing. I'm not even messing around. It's honestly been weirdly really smooth, which is why I had to knock on wood. Because of how much bad juju and bad luck I've had this past month, I feel like if I had a psycho neighbor, my friends would believe it. None of my friends have seen my new place, so I want to invite them over for a housewarming party and have the party be disturbed by a psycho neighbor who I'm hiring to prank them. Hey guys, we are at the new apartment and I'm gonna show you guys an empty apartment tour soon. I'm so fucking excited. I'm gonna pick up my keys and then we'll do the empty apartment tour. Yeah, wow. Look, doesn't this just look right? Like me standing in this kitchen on camera. First night in the apartment and it's aesthetic. So, it is 2 days later from when you last saw me. Moving is not luxurious or nice whatsoever. It's actually very stressful and you do not move in the time frame you think you're going to move in. Dennis is here this weekend. And this is the ugly truth of moving. The good news is we've gotten really far, but we gotta get rid of all this stuff. So we basically, I'm gonna shout this out actually. Me and Gabby are getting rid of a ton of our stuff and we're having a birth control alarm, man. So Gabby and I are getting rid of a ton of our stuff because we're actually having a Nikki and Gabby pop-up store yard sale, getting rid of a ton of stuff we bought over the years. Stuff from LA, stuff from all of our old apartments, clothes, stuff we wore in videos. We're having our own store. I'm not gonna release any details yet, but I wanna get you guys hyped because I'm preparing and I've been putting together boxes for that. Also, Dennis and I are kind of trying to get this all cleaned up by tonight because we're having a housewarming party tomorrow. And like that's kind of like an unrealistic standard I set for myself because let's be honest, I moved like 3 days ago, but I want my place to be ready for a housewarming party.
Good luck to us.
Oh my god.
Good luck to us.
I think you could leave that trash bag with paper.
Yeah, no.
I'm trying to pull through for my housewarming party tomorrow. We're gonna get in trouble. There's a baby down there.
That was great.
Hey, at least we got rid of boxes. Oh my god, yay, there's actually space to walk.
So much space to walk.
So now we are going to set my bed. All right, Dennis, come try out these sheets. They're $300. $300 sheets.
$300 sheets.
Yeah.
Are these the ones you just dried?
I got them in LA. Yeah. Wait. Isn't it unreal?
Oh my god.
Look how fucking comfy. I've been texting my friend who's bringing the psycho neighbor, and she's going to bring him at around 8 and everybody's coming around 7. So we're all gonna be drinking, having casual conversations, and then all of a sudden the psycho neighbor is going to intrude. Dennis has been hanging out with me and living here, and he has no idea. I've been literally hiding this from him. He's downstairs currently getting the alcohol. Nobody knows what's happening except me and my friend. Actually, JK, I told Nate because I feel like Nate would call me out on pranking everybody, so having him in on it and acting will make everybody think it's real, because if Nate's freaking out, they're gonna freak out, because Nate always calls me on my shit. I'm getting nervous. I want to show you guys what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a Halloween Horror Nights t-shirt layered with a long sleeve white shirt with plaid pants and this orange thrifted cardigan that I've worn. It's my favorite cardigan, and it's fucking thrifted. It's my new phone case, got some frowny faces. Everyone's on their way. Oh look, I have guests. Gabby, how do you like my new apartment?
Reminds me of my first one.
That's what I said. I'm just here for the food.
Stop.
I live next door. You guys just gotta tone it down.
Okay, first of all, you have to
on the door.
like for you to knock on the door and say, hey, you just too loud, and turn it down. That's all you have to do, sir.
Okay, that's fine. That's cool, but I better not have to come back.
You don't have to come back. You don't
Nope.
have to come back.
Okay. If I hear the music, I'm gonna call the cops.
Excuse me. Hi, I just want to show my face because I'm your neighbor. I live, where do you live? You better not have to come back. Was that it?
All you have to do is knock on the door.
I'm so sorry. I'm not a partier. I literally just have a house.
Okay.
It's just a house.
That's cool. You guys are loud though. That's all. Okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
we'll turn on the music. I'm sorry. Okay. I got that on camera. That was fun. I better not have to come back.
It really wasn't that loud.
Not loud at all.
That's so rude. So your first
He
interaction.
said he's literally my fucking neighbor.
Your first
He
interaction
said I
with your
better not have
neighbor.
to come back.
Your first interaction with your neighbor is not important. That's so fucked up.
You know me. You know me. He said I better not have to come back or I'm gonna call the cops.
Oh.
That was a threat. If he wants to call the cops, you could get the call the cops too, because he threatened you.
How thin are these walls? Like,
Alright. My first apartment. Gabby fucking DeMartino. Gabby. Shut up. Stop playing videos. I'm fucking filming this.
This is your first night here, and I'm ready to go. Well, I don't care whose it is. I'm just saying I call the property manager and I can get a complaint.
Guys, this is my apartment. Wait, guys, everybody go back to the freaking living room, please. I'm so sorry. No, Gabby, stop. That's my neighbor. Can you go back to, please, guys?
It was 2 minutes I was gone, and already you guys are starting again.
You didn't give us a, oh my God.
It's gonna start up again in another 5-10 minutes.
I don't.
We honestly were just playing music on the TV. We weren't even like talking because of you.
I'm just saying it's your first night here. This is gonna start.
This isn't the first night.
This isn't her first night.
Or whatever. How long has it been? 2 nights? Yeah.
Do you go to bed at like 7:30? Gabby.
I'm just saying you guys gotta
Okay, we'll probably just talk to the property manager. You don't have to come back. If you were to knock on the door politely and say, hey,
that'll make a difference?
Yes, it would, because for you to...
I don't want to even go to a Cornet's now. Do you realize like I live here?
He's a dick.
You guys still?
Oh my god! Call cops.
Is he in the house? Yeah, this is a room.
You can't be in here. You
No,
can't
record this.
just trespass. Okay, you need to call the cops.
I got that on footage.
Yo, he got in the house.
Guys, it's a prank! It's a prank! It's a prank!
Yo, I thought he was gonna come kick my ass.
Are you fucking serious? I was ready to whip some ass for you. I was missing myself. You, my friend, are a good actor. I thought you were literally paranoid. Oh my god. Oscar-worthy acting.
Do you want to know where the camera is? Behind the fucking plant!
I swear I set that shit up though. Are you fucking serious?
But thanks for watching this vlog. Subscribe if you guys haven't. Become a part of the family, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye, guys.